Hi all, I want to show you how to install manually EasyJewels3d in RHinoceros 678. First thing we have to check if there is an installation. We can do this. Control panel, I have in Italian, sorry. You go here, name, EasyJewels3d, perfect. We click to unload it. Uninstall EasyJewels3d, perfect. When you install EasyJewels3d, you will see that in your your user app data is a hidden folder. We see if you don't see it, or you activate hidden files visualization, or you do this app data and you go there. Roaming EasyJewels3d. The installer of EasyJewels3d save this folder here and this folder here in your roaming. Grasshopper and EasyJewels3d. The other thing that our installer does is to save here in program files, Rhino, for example 8, plugins, Grasshopper, components, these two files. No more. EasyJewels3d doesn't save anything else. Okay? So we go to roaming. Go back. Okay, roaming, EasyJewels3d. Now we have more or less nothing because we disinstalled it. Okay? So if we open Rhino 8, we don't have EasyJewels3d. We don't have the toolbar, we don't have the plugin. You go to Option, Plugins, EasyJewels3d. We don't have it. Perfect. Close it. So we launch EasyJewels3d exe. Yes. Follow the instruction. Now it is saving in that path we saw before. This one in roaming EasyJewels3d. You see, it is saving here. Okay. Now I will explain what you can find here. And this is the loader, this one. You don't need it because we do manually now. So close. Yes. You haven't installed anything. Do you want to exit? Yes. Perfect. Now in EasyJewels3d folder you have these 3 folders here for Rhino 6, Rhino 7, Rhino 8, and these 3 files, the toolbars files for Rhino 6, for Rhino 7, and for Rhino 8. Okay? To install EasyJewels3d in Rhino 8, you have to drag and drop this toolbar, and we open this folder here. We go to or this folder, and we take this file and we drag and drop this file, or the same file in net48, this one. Okay? So we try. We open Rhino 8. We have, yes, it is present now, EasyJewels3, because we didn't delete the registry key, but we see without problems how to do. So we take the toolbar here, this one, we drag and drop, and we have the toolbar. We go to this folder for Rhino 8, we open it, and now I don't know what is the correct folder, because in Rhino 8 we have two systems, set.net with this command here, set.net runtime. You see, we have now net core, okay, version v7 net core. If you want to change net framework, I don't want, I had net core, perfect. So net set, perfect. I know that I have to open net 7, sorry. I take this file here, left click, drag and drop. And here you can read drag and drop loaded. Done. It's done. We have it. Okay? If you do this, for example, probably you have this message. ID already in use, because now we have it. If you are not able to load it, disinstall everything and do this procedure, please. Okay? The same thing for Rhino 7 and for Rhino 6. Also, you see that for Rhino 7 there is only one possibility. You cannot do mistake. One file only. And for Rhino 6 the same. Here. Only one file. So you have 3 folders with system files. Okay, these 3 folders here. And 3 files for toolbar. 1, 2, and 3. For the 3 different versions of Rhino. Done. Then if you want, you can run this, that is for our toolbar that uses Grasshopper. This tab here is for commands with Grasshopper. You need to install this file here because this is the interface we use. So double click and you run it like this. Okay? Thank you very much.